everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite chicken pasta. Take 450 grams of chicken breast and cut them. Half teaspoon of chopped garlics. Add a bit of soya sauce too. Mix it well. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and salt as per taste. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and marinate it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil on it. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Add the marinated chicken and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's done, take it out and set it aside. Let's start preparing to make the pasta sauce. Take 4 medium-sized tomatoes and boil them in hot water. After a while, peel their skin off and blend them with 2 green chilies. In the same oil that we fried our chicken in, add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and stir it for 30 seconds. Add the paste that we had made earlier with the 2 green chilies. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of chili powder. 1 teaspoon of oregano. 1 teaspoon of butter and mix it well. Add 5 tablespoons of ketchup. Cook it for 1 minute. Now our sauce is ready. Add some boiled pasta inside it. The chicken that we had fried earlier. Add 1 chopped capsicum and 100 grams of grated cheese. Mix it well. Your delicious pasta is now ready. You can dish it out and enjoy it. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon below. Bye bye.